Exercise 2A1. Mali collected wild mushroom every day for a week. When she got home each day, she weighted them to the nearest 100 gram. The weights are shown below. The first question is write down the mode for this data. First of all, I'd like to bring into a small table this one. So the small one is 300, 300, uh, and then 400, 301, 401, and then 500 I can see 501, then 700, 1 2 3 703, and 800, no, 901. Now we can see the most common number. The most common number is 700. So then number two, the mode is 700. Question number 2. Calculate the mean for this data. Mean, if I use x bar is equal summation x over n, then I can write 500 plus 700 plus 400 plus 300 plus 900 plus 700 plus 700 divided by 7. Addition is 7 divided by 7. So the answer should be this is 4,200 divided by 7 equal 600 grams. If we use the other formula, summation xf over summation f, so in that case 300 times 1, 400 times 1 plus 500 times 1 plus 700 times 3 plus 900 times 1 divided by 7. Still answer is this is 600 grams. So this is 600 grams. Now next day she collected again another 605, 650 worth of weight of mushrooms. Now we have to comment on this one. Okay, when it's come to 650, the mode is still the same. So mode is still 600, 700. Then what will happen to the okay, we missed the median part, that is part C. Okay, we'll come to part C, median one first. Then the third one is part C, I think A, B, C. We need to find the median. So we'll find the median before 650. So we have to put them in order. So 300, 400, 500, 703, and last one is 900. So what is the rule? By looking at, we can see when we cancel out this one, this one, and this one, this one, we cancel out, remaining is this one. So the median is 700. But we can look at from the formula as well. So n equals 7, and then n divided by 2 is 3.5. So round up to the next, round up this figure. So then it is goes to 4. Then take if it is a non-whole number, so take this term T4. What is T4? This is T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7. So T4 is 700. So that way you can pick up from the formula or this method. Now, the next day she will bring another 650 grams. Then after bring 650, mode is still the same. Then what will happen to the mean? So then this is going to be 650 divided by 8. So mean will increase up to 650 divided by 8. So the new mean is 606.25. And now we want to look at new median as well. Now there are how many terms? N equal 8. So n divided by 2 is 4. Then we want to take T4 and the next term T5, and we want to average these terms. So what is T4 term? 700. And T5 term? 700. And average, this is going to be 700. I think I made a mistake here. So I drop out the 650. So what is the best place to write the 650 in the order? It is here. So 650, 500, 400 and 300. So T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, T8. So term 4 plus what is term 4? Term 4 is 650 and term 5 is 700 and divide by 2. That is 675. So the first time mode is 700 and the second time also mode is 700. The first time mean is 600. The second time mean is 606.25. And third time median is 700, and this median is 675. Now we have to comment. So median is 675 gram. Now we have to comment part D. So what we are going to comment here now? We add 650 to this new system, new for. So now the previous one 700 mode. Since there's only one 650, the mode A stay the same, and 650 is greater than the 600. Because of that, mean has to be shifted more than 600 because the added value is more than 600. And then median, previous median is 700. So there's a possibility of, because since this is less than 650, there's a possibility of it is dragging to the left side, but sometime if it is so many 700, so it still stay the same. It has to be 700 or less than 700. It can't be more than 700 because the added value is less than 700. So we can write mode is stay the same, mean is increased by 6.25 and median is reduced to 675. Question number 2. Joy collects 6 pieces of data. He works out the addition of this one. So summation x is given 256.2. Now we want to find the mean. So mean is x bar is summation x divided by n. So summation x is 256 256.2 and number of data n is 6 because 1 2 3 4 5 6. So n is 6. Then this value is going to be 42.7. And part B, another 52 is added. So now it's become x7, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, and now x7. Now we want to find the new mean. So this summation up to 6 is 256.2 and new one is 52 and the new total is 308.2. Then x bar is summation x over n. Now 308.2 over n is 7. So this value is 42.7. This is actually 44.02 new mean. In this sum, we don't need to calculate to find the effect because we don't need the mean. So we want to know that the effect. So effect can be when you add 52G. So increase or decreased. So increase or decrease with previous mean. So this is we know that 52 is more than the previous mean. It means the new mean is more than the 42.7. So it will increase the mean as 52 greater than 42.7. Question number 3 is a visibility test of mean for month May. So n equal 31 and summation v equal 72400 and the June n equal 30 and summation v equal 632,000. Now we want to find the mean of x bar May is summation v over n, that is 724,000 over 31. So that may one mean is 2335.8. And x bar of June is summation v over n, that is again 632,000 over 30. So which is going to be 21,066.7. So that is part A. Now they will calculate the mean of the visibility 8 months. Calculate the mean visibility of the total recording periods. What is the now total recording period? May and June. Now how many observations in equal 31 plus 30, 61. And the summation V, the total visibilities is 724,000 plus 632,000. Hence x bar equal x bar May and June equal 72400 plus 63200 divided by 61. So this answer has to be 9.5. Question number 4. A shop owner measured a time for a certain task for these people A, B, C, T, I, J, N, and he record the timing. So if I bring into a table, actually, what is the smallest one? 5. So 5, 1, and then 6, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, and 8, 2, and 10, 1, 12, 1, 11, 1. So this is 11, 1, and 12, 1, and I miss out 9. So this is T and this is F frequency. 5 minutes took one person, 6 minutes took one person, 7, 8 likewise. Now first question is write down the mode of this data. It is clear that 8 minutes took 2 people. So the mode is 8. Mode is not 2, mode is 8. There are no 2's here. Only. And part B, find the median of this data. So now what is how many data here? 10. 10. So n is 10. So n divided by 10 is 5. Then this is a whole number. Then we want to take term 5 and next term 6 and averages. Now what is term 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So term 5, term 6. Term 5 is 6 and term 6 is 8 divided by 2, which is 7. So median is 7. And part C, actually part C work out. Now we need part B, mean. How do we calculate the mean? 5 times 1 plus I'm going to use the formula for this one. Anything x bar equals summation xf over summation f. So this is x bar equal 5 times 1 plus 6 times 1 plus 7 times 1 plus 8 times 2 plus 9 times 1, 10 times 1 plus 11 times 1 plus 12 times 1 plus 26 times 1 divided by 10. So this is going to be 10.2. So mean is 10.2 part B. So this is median part C. I think the median, we have problem with the median. I didn't put into the which order, ascending or descending order. So this answer has to be corrected. So we'll work like this. Sorry about this. So median, we will work out that is T5. Where's the T5? It's good that we can work with this table. So 1, 2, 3. So T1 is here, T2 is here, T3 is here, T4 and T5 is here. Then T6 here, T7 here, T8 here, T9 here, T10. Now I need 5 and 6. So 5 also, 5 is 8 and 6 is 9. So 9 plus 8, that is 17, divided by 2. Median is 17 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2, that is 8. So this is 8.5. The median is now 8.5. Now which one we are going to use for the to talk to the workers? Which one? Now we can see when you look at this 26 is an extreme value. 26 for some reason they are standard when you look at these numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, reasonable. Suddenly this is jumped to 26. So this is the extreme value. So extreme value directly influence to mean. So in that case, mean is not a good value to discuss with the workers. In that case, a median is a good one. So then our answer should be D. Median would be reasonable, or we can tell that median is more reliable as mean was influenced by extreme value 26. Further, mode also closer value to median and it is a positive contribution towards median. Question number 5. This is about the breakdowns, the experiment about the breakdowns per month per certain time. So how many months do you think that they did this experiment? So first month, second month, when you add this one, total is going to be 36. It means fourth month, sixth month, likewise. Some month it is 0, the second month it is 5, third month 4, fourth month 2, fifth month 2, sixth month 1, 7 month 2, 8 month 1, 9 months 0, 10 months 0, 11 months 1, 12 months 1, 13 months 1, 14 months 1. So likewise, they did this experiment 36 months and then they summarized this table. So and the first question, write down the mode of this data. Write down the mode of this breakdowns. Yes. So when I look at, I can see that 2 repeat 12 times. So then 2 is the most common number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Likewise, 12 is the most, 2 is the most common number. Hence, mode is 2, not 12. And we find the median number breakdowns. So median number, there are n equal 36. When you add everything, n equals 36. So n divided by 2 is 18. Then you want to pick up which term? T18 terms and the next term T19 term, and you have to average. So where's the T18 term? So this is T1, T2, 3T, T4, T5, T6, T7, T8. Then T9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 8. So we'll write the cumulative frequency. Adding then 8 plus 11, 19. Alright, now I can see 18 also 11. So when you add those two together, it is come up to 19. It means 19 also 11 and 18 also 11. Then 11 plus 11 divided by 2 also 11. I think I messed up again. Yeah. So sorry. So now T8, what is the value? 0. So 0 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1 11 times. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So then this is T1, T2, T3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, T9, T10, T11, T12. Likewise, this is T19 and this is T18. So T18 also 1 and T19 also 1. 1 plus divided by 2 also 1. So median is 1 and C. So I am going to use mean. We need to find summation xf over summation f. So this is the only formula we can work out. Otherwise, other one is impossible. It is 36 numbers. So how many zeros there? 8. How many ones there? 11. How many twos there? 12. And how many threes there? 3. And how many fours there? 1. How many fives there? 1. So divide by 36. So this answer should be 53 over 36. 1.47 breakdowns per month. Now question number 4. In a brochure about how many loads reach the destination on time, the firm quotes on one of the answers ABC to break down the vehicle and write down the one of 3 answers. Now this is a vehicle hiring company. Now they want to promote this vehicle hiring. Assume this is vehicle hiring company, and they want to promote and they want to put the value. They can't lie as well. And but this is more uh, acceptable. I mean, this is the standard 3 numbers. So then to get more to promote more, which one is better? Which value is better? If there is a 2 breakdown comparative to 1.47, no 1. So 1 is less breakdown. People like less breakdown. I mean reliable vehicles. If it is 0, it is smart, but it's not really. So the median the minimum value is 1, so then better to quote 1. It's yes, they should select the medium. Yeah, medium, as it is the lowest value. I don't know how it's worked with the ethics, but that's how it is. Question number 6. It is about the petals and of celandines flowers. Do you think how many flowers are there? So you want to add everything, then you will get the number of flowers. So number of total flowers is 98. So they take first flower, second flower, third flower, fourth flower, sixth flower, seventh flower, eighth flower, ninth flower, 11th flower, 12th flower. Likewise, one is 5, another one is 7, other one is 8, then other one is 6, 9. Likewise, up to 98 petals, they did this experiment and they gathered this data. Calculate the mean number of petals. So x bar equals summation x f multiply divided by summation f. So this is going to be frequency. This is x and this is f. So 5 times 8. 6 petal 57 times there. 7 petals 29 times there. 8 petals 3 times there. And 9 petals 1 time there. So divide by 98, so 6.31 petals approximately. This is experiment number 7. This is an experiment about birds, about the laying eggs. Now, in these sums from 1 to 7, we had the last 7, last one now. In general, you always think that if you are the researcher, then how you are going to do this experiment and think it, and then think how you can do differently. Then that's how you train your brain when you look at to understand for the easy comprehension. Uh, so when you see a sum like this, or the petals, or the breakdowns, so find your own example and do one example and think differently and apply this one. Okay, this is, if this is a road, what will happen to the trains in that case? What will happen to the flights? Likewise, so apply these scenarios uh, yourself. You don't need to work out, just think about it. Then it is easy to understand the sum. When you see the sum, you will understand what is going on. So now this is um, number of eggs. Now, what is the total number of cycles? Total number of cycles. Total number of cycles means the frequency, total frequency, summation f basically. 7 plus p plus 2, which is 9 plus p. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus p. Now they have given the mean value is 1.5. Now x bar is summation x over summation f. Summation x will work with the table 1 times 1x times 7 cycles, 2x times p cycle, and 3x times 2 cycles. Divide by 9 plus p. So this is going to be 7 2p plus 6 equal 9 plus p. Now, but we know this x bar is 1.5, which is 3 over 2. Hence, so this is going to be, I'll extend one more step, 7 plus 6, 13 plus 2p over 9 plus p. So 13 plus 2p over 9 plus p equal 3 over 2. Then cross multiply. 2 times 13 plus 2p equal 3 times 9 plus p. So this is going to be 29, and this is 6p equal 27 equal 3p. And I think this is 2 times 13, 26 plus 4p. So then I'll bring 4p minus 3p equal 27 minus 26. So p equal 1.